The market capitalization of NFTs, the collectible tokens, has reached over $432 million. Now, how can you get a piece of this cake? I am so excited for this video because we are going to talk about how you can use NFTs for your business. And I'm not only talking about graphic designers, illustrators, artists, or athletes, or the gaming industry, because I know they are the biggest ones out there using NFTs. I'm talking about business owners who has coffee shops, jewelry business, dance studio, hair salon, and the list goes on. And I truly believe you can use NFTs for your startup to raise money to start your company if you have zero in the bank, if you have a small or medium-sized business and you want to grow your business, and also if you have a large company, a big corporation. And here, I want to just talk to you some 3 points that I think they're very important on why you should just start thinking to use NFT marketing for your business. If it's your first time here, welcome to the NFTs YouTube channel. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. My name is Drew Baby, and here we are just, share some news and trends and some insights inside the NFT world. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can be the first one to access all this amazing information. Look, I think we have so much to cover when it comes down to NFT for business. And I am going to create a special playlist telling you a step-by-step of things that I think we should start doing if you have a business. And I'm not only going to share with you what are my thoughts are, but I'm going to put into work and share you the results by the end of this series. So this is the first video of a series that I'm going to create about NFT for business, how I see we can use NFTs for business. So stay tuned and let's dive in our content. When you have an innovative and unique idea, an innovative and unique solution of that problem that your potential client wants to solve, people start to pay attention on what you're saying, the message you're trying to get through. Now, how can you use NFTs to help you generate traffic, to attract more clients to your business and help you get your point across? This is just an example of a digital sneaker company that sold this NFT for $28,000. They created this specific token to celebrate the Chinese New Year, and I know this value is impressive, but it wasn't near the $3 million NFT that they sold before. And these NFT sneakers were created in collaboration with an 18-year-old artist. See, this company is a digital sneaker company that took that opportunity to create something unique to celebrate a special occasion and attract more clients, leverage their business, because when something is unique, is innovative, you want to know what it is about. You are tired of seeing the same thing over and over again, the same speech over and over and over and over again. But when something is new and fresh, that catches your attention because that's different. You've never seen that before. So of course you're going to check it out. That's the same essence that you need to have for your business, and that's the same essence that you're gonna have if you start creating NFTs for your business. That's why a lot of real estate people, they are using NFTs to sell houses and properties, physical properties. You buy the NFT, you get the property. Now that leads us to something really, really cool. Just follow me on this. Did you know that 83% of millennials prefers doing business with brands that they resonate with their values? Yeah, so when you create that awareness, when people start seeing what you're doing, depending on your message, people are going to start resonating with your business. They are going to start resonating with the values that your business show them, right? And this create a connection. Yes, when you start selling in NFTs, not only a piece of art, video, or whatever that is that you're going to sell as NFT, because just as you know, NFT is not a piece of art. NFT is that representation of a ownership of something else, right? So when you have the opportunity, when you give the opportunity to your client, your potential client, to have that ownership that piece of ownership of your business that brings people together, that creates a deeper connection between your brand and your client. You can just see what happened when Gary Vee launched his NFT collection, the V Friends. He created a exclusive community for those who buys his NFTs. So he created something so exclusive just for those who were supporting his new collection, which is amazing because that same person who is going to buy his NFT now is part of something different, something unique, exclusive that is under the umbrella of the Gary Vee business. So he created that community, he created that connection, and that leads us to my third point, that it's really, really important to keep your business afloat, that is generating money, ongoing money, because you have bills to pay, you have employees to pay. You need to have that ongoing income if you want your business to survive. Otherwise, you're just going to start investing from your own pocket and not having that money back. And that's not the ideal of a successful business. Am I right? So when you create that piece of NFT, you were leveraging your business because, oh my God, this is so different. I want to check it out, right? And then you're attracting more people. And those who are connected with your brand, with your message, are the ones who are going to buy and are going to stay because you're providing value. You are showing them why they should stay, why that piece of NFT is more than just a video or a picture or whatever that is, right? And now you are giving them not only the opportunity to have a piece of your business with them, but also you're giving them the opportunity to generate an income by selling that same piece. So depending on the value of your company, your client can generate twice, 3 times, 4 times, 10 times more than the original price they acquire that ownership, that NFT, which is amazing. And just think about this for a second. When you buy a gift card from a store or a restaurant, now usually you have like expiration date, right? And most of the times you can get your money back. But when you create an NFT, you can have as well, if you don't use it within that time frame, you can resell, you can make more money, and you, instead of having your money back, you can actually duplicate your money. Don't you think that's a deal? Well, I think it is a really good deal. But as I've been talking through this video, there are a lot of little pieces that we need to put together to complete this puzzle. You need to pay attention on which product, price, and perks you're offering. What are the rules? What are the rules that you're setting for that NFT? What are the time frame? Like what are the marketing strategies you're going to use for your NFTs? And guys, trust me, I have all this down. That's why I'm going to show you all the step-by-step I'm doing for a specific business that I'm going to share with you in our next video. And if you wanted to follow how I'm going to implement, if you want to see how I'm going to put into step-by-step how you can use NFTs and incorporate for your business so you can leverage your business, generate more income, and also create that deeper connection with your client, well, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for, being here with me, watching this whole video. If you have any questions, please just leave in the comments below. And if you have any thoughts about using NFT marketing for business, please just share in the comments. I would love to read your comments as well. Well, I am really grateful for you being here with me today, and I can't wait to see you next week or in our next video. I don't know. We shall see. Thank you so much and bye. Tchau, tchau. Beijo. Tchau, tchau.